回答執行長黃玲芬提早今仔日來到台灣談論 AI 相關的發展。黃玲芬強調講，公司會繼續成長，也明年這個龍頭會同款強。也針對伊甲美國總統川普做伙訪問中國，黃玲芬表示講，伊感覺真榮幸。一到台灣，隨後要將照相片，要請回答執行長黃玲芬簽名翕相。原本預計伊要佇27到台灣參加調研宴，不過黃玲芬行程大變動，改做23下晡到台灣。對媒體問到中國市場 AI 發展、台灣供應鏈這議題，黃玲芬是一回答，也對陪美國總統川普訪問中國這件代志強調是真光榮。
I was greatly honored to accompany President Trump to China. It was a historic trip. It was a very important trip, and I applaud both presidents for having a successful summit.
外界關心中國市場，也有 AI 晶片出口議題。黃玲芬講 ，H200億核酸出回到中國咯。
$200 billion is not today; it's someday, and it includes, of course, all the data center CPUs, and this is a new market for us.
對超美進行宣布增加投資台灣100億美金，黃玲芬講，回答過去早已經投入超過這個數字的資源，支持台灣的夥伴，不哩有互相比較的意味，也講到台灣供應鏈的重要性。
Vera Rubin is going to be the most successful generation so far. Hopper was very successful, of course. Grace Blackwell has been incredibly successful, and Vera Rubin is going to be even more successful than that.
黃玲芬是到南港干那掛工廠參加回答台北開發者大會。黃玲芬講，就算公司規模已經真大，伊願意繼續高速成長，明年會維持真強的成長。對台北新辦公室進度，伊講若活動，伊應該參加。記者綜合報道。